Okay guys, so how to create a little thumbnail a bit like this, which is the one I'm making for this video, by the way. It's like a Fortnite thumbnail, so how to make one in Photoshop. I am doing one that's without Photoshop if you want to go check that out. But that's going to be made after this video, so when it's released I will put it in the description of this video. Now I know this is it's supposed to be a Fortnite channel, but today I'm doing this as a different thing, whatever. Anyway, so first thing I want to do is you want to make a page with these settings, all these. I don't really need the advanced stuff, so you can just leave them if you want. Once you've done that, just click OK, and you're here with a nice thing here. So basically, you want to go ahead and you want to get a nice color for a gradient. Alright, I've got one here. You can copy it. The little Cody thing is here. Okay, now we've done that, you want to click OK, and you want to get some color for this one. Alright, I've got one for here, which is basically just orange. If you want, you can copy this again. Okay, now guys, you want to click OK, and you want to drag right from here to here. Sometimes I just fiddle around with it a bit to try and see what I like, but sometimes I do that. That looks quite cool. But this time I think I want to go from this way to there. Or here. Right, I found something that I like, guys. And then you want to go ahead and get some text. I'm using the Fortnite font here, but you guys can go ahead and get the same one from the font in the description. Okay, now make the font the color black. And then I'm gonna make a thumbnail saying how to create, because I'm doing the same thumbnail here. Okay, now I want to just Control T it, and then I spelled create wrong. No. Create. Okay, so it doesn't look amazing right here. So if you want to make the text look a bit cooler, you want to go to Effects and Stroke. Quick color. I like red. I think it really works with it. And then I'm going to put here like that. That looks pretty cool. And I'm also going to go to Drop Shadow. I'm going to put 23 for spread, 37 for, and 47 for distance. Okay, so now we've got some text. I'm going to add a bit more text, and I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so I'm happy with my text right now. I might just move this up, there we go. And then you want to head over to Google. You want to head over to Google and you want to search in fnbr.co. And this is basically everything you need, but if you don't want to search in, I have left a link in the description. And I'm also going to go and I'm going to get some stuff from the some stuff from it, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so I reckon I'm just going to go for a couple of skins. Alright, so I think I'm going to just go for a couple of skins from this menu. Sometimes what I like to do is I also like to get matching things, like 2, but I think that I'm just going to go for 1. Okay. I quite like this burger skin. He's quite cool. And I want to get the featured one. I'll click Save Image As. You can do Copy Image, but I find it so much easier to just do this. I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop because I think it's easier. Or like... Yep, and click. Alright, so now I've got my burger skin inside. I'm just going to size him down to where I want him. I think I'm actually going to flip him around there. There we go. Make him slightly bigger. There we go. I think I quite like that. Then guys, here's another step that you don't have to do, because I think it looks pretty cool, but I'm going to teach you how to do it anyway. So you want to make sure this is on black and white. I'm going to go to white first because it's a bit easier. Go to your brush, I'm going to make it about 60, and then you want to just paint over him in white. Make sure your brush is on this setting here. Just make it easier. And just paint over him in white, and then in a minute we're going to go on to black. On to black, I'm just going to paint over him again. And then I'm going to click normal and overlay. I'm going to go around with the eraser and just straighten everything up a bit. Okay, so I'm now happy with my drawing. I'm just going to do that. No, I'm just going to... Okay, so I'm now happy with this part, and I'm just going to go and add a picture. So whatever name, if you're using software, I'm going to just use it here. I've got a little Photoshop symbol, so it looks very blurry at the moment, but it does straighten out a little bit and get less blurry. That's pixelated. And click there, and there we go. Still a bit pixelated, but it won't show up as much on the thing. So now I'm going to click stroke, sorry, not stroke. You can if you want, which I think I might actually do, but I'm just going to make the opacity down so it looks a bit like a shadow. There we go. I'm also going to make it a slightly smaller. No, it's huge. There we go. Okay. So I think now I'm pretty happy with my thumbnail. I'll see you guys in the next video.